Welcome to the world of AI and money making, where one click can lead to hundreds of dollars in your bank account. In today's video, we're going to explore a ridiculous yet effective AI strategy that's been bringing in $447 per day to some lucky individuals. That's right, you heard it correctly. Just one click of a button, and you could be on your way to some serious cash. I'll be going through exactly what you need to do step by step in this video, so be sure to pay close attention over these next few minutes, because I don't want you to miss any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. So today we are going to be using this super cool AI tool called SuperChat.ai. SuperChat is a professional AI writer tool that's designed to help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. Whether you're a content creator, blogger, marketer, or business owner, SuperChat can help you save time and effort by automating the content creation process. So, how does it work? Well, SuperChat uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to generate content based on your specific needs and preferences. All you have to do is input the topic, keywords, and any other relevant information, and SuperChat will do the rest. One of the great things about SuperChat is that it's incredibly versatile. Whether you need help with blog posts, social media updates, product descriptions, or anything in between, SuperChat has got you covered. Another thing I love about SuperChat is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a tech-savvy person, you'll find it easy to use and navigate. You don't need to be a computer genius to take advantage of this powerful tool. But what sets SuperChat apart from other AI writing tools out there? Well, for starters, SuperChat is constantly improving its algorithms and technologies to ensure that you get the best possible results. The team behind SuperChat is dedicated to providing you with the most accurate and high-quality content possible. So now that you know all about SuperChat, it's time to dive into Step 1. Step 1. Sign up for SuperChat. The first step of this money-making process is to sign up for SuperChat, which is incredibly easy. All you have to do is go to the website, create an account, and you're ready to go. There's no complicated setup process or lengthy installation required. You can start using the tool right away. Step 2. Head over to the Podcast Idea Maker tool. Now let's explore the podcast episode Idea Maker tool in SuperChat and see how it can help you create high-quality podcast content quickly and easily. First off, let me start by saying that the podcast industry is booming. Millions of people around the world listen to podcasts on a regular basis, making it a lucrative industry to be a part of. However, with so many podcasts out there, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd and create content that resonates with your audience. That's where the Podcast Episode Idea Maker tool in SuperChat comes in. This is a brand new AI feature that's designed to help you generate ideas for podcast episodes based on your specific niche and target audience. To use the tool, simply log into your SuperChat account and click on the Podcast tab. From there, you'll see the Podcast Episode Idea Maker tool. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page where you can input information about your podcast, such as its niche, target audience, and other relevant details, and SuperChat will do the rest. One of the great things about the Podcast Episode Idea Maker tool is its versatility. It can help you come up with ideas for interviews, solo episodes, panel discussions, and much more. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned podcast pro, this tool can help you create engaging and informative content that your audience will love. Another benefit of the Podcast Episode Idea Maker tool is that it's incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of this tool. Simply input your information and let the AI do the rest. It's a quick and easy way to generate ideas for your podcast without having to spend hours brainstorming and researching. But the best thing about this tool has got to be that it generates ideas that are specific to your niche and target audience. This means that you'll get ideas that are tailored to your podcast and that are more likely to resonate with your listeners. Here's an example of how the Podcast Episode Idea Maker tool can work. Let's say you run a podcast about entrepreneurship. You input the relevant information into the tool, and it generates the following episode ideas. 1. The top 10 habits of highly successful entrepreneurs. 2. The future of entrepreneurship. Emerging trends to watch. 3. How to overcome failure and bounce back stronger than ever. 4. Interview with a successful entrepreneur. Lessons learned and insights shared. 5. The benefits and challenges of running a remote business. These are just a few examples, but as you can see, the podcast episode Idea Maker tool in Super Chat can help you generate fresh and engaging ideas that will keep your listeners coming back for more. Step 3. Create a gig on Fiverr. Now let's dive into creating a gig on Fiverr to offer your podcast episode idea services at a higher price. Fiverr is a popular online platform that connects freelancers with clients who need their services. It's a great place to offer your podcast episode idea services, especially if you want to reach a wider audience and earn a higher income. And the best part? You can use the AI-powered writing tool, Super Chat, to create amazing descriptions and titles for your gig. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Fiverr account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Selling tab and select Gigs from the drop-down menu. From there, you can create a new gig by clicking on the Create a New Gig button. The first step in creating your gig is to choose a category and subcategory that best fits your service. For example, if you're offering podcast episode ideas, you might choose the Writing and Translation category and the Creative Writing subcategory. Next, you'll need to write a gig description that explains what you're offering and why clients should choose you. This is where superchat.ai can come in handy. Use the AI-powered writing tool to create an attention-grabbing and persuasive description that showcases your skills and expertise. Make sure to highlight the benefits of your service and what sets you apart from the competition. Once you've written your gig description, it's time to set your pricing. Since you're offering a specialized service, you can charge a higher price than you might for more general writing services. Take some time to research what other freelancers are charging for similar services and set your price accordingly. Finally, you'll need to create a gig title and add some relevant tags to help clients find your gig. Again, Super Chat can be a valuable tool here. Use the writing tool to come up with a catchy and informative gig title that will catch the attention of potential clients. Step 4. Fulfill your orders using Super Chat. When a client orders your Fiverr gig, you can use Super Chat to generate and deliver your podcast episode ideas in a quick and easy way. To do this, you'll need to log into your Super Chat account and navigate to the podcast episode Idea Maker tool. From there, you can enter the client's specifications and generate a list of high-quality podcast episode ideas that are tailored to their needs. Once you have the list of ideas, you can use Super Chat's built-in delivery feature to send the ideas directly to your client. Simply enter the client's email address and click Send, and the ideas will be delivered to their inbox in a matter of seconds. Using Super Chat to deliver your podcast episode ideas has a number of benefits. For one, it's incredibly efficient. You can generate and deliver ideas quickly and easily, which means you'll be able to handle more orders and earn more income. It also makes sure that your ideas are delivered in a professional and polished way, which can help to build your reputation as a high-quality service provider. Of course, it's important to make sure that you're delivering the best possible ideas to your clients. Take the time to carefully review their specifications and generate ideas that are relevant, engaging, and creative. And if you ever have any questions or concerns about using Super Chat to deliver your services, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team. They're always happy to help. Well, there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make money online with the help of Super Chat. We hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, and that you're feeling inspired to start your own business and earn some extra cash. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.